Lightyear app. The pros, the cons. Lightyear is an app that combines investment tracking with social insights, but does it really deliver value? Starting with the pros. First, portfolio tracking. Lightyear provides a clear overview of your investments, including performance, allocation, and diversification. Second, social features. You can follow other investors, see their strategies, and gain insights into market trends, which can inspire smarter decisions. Third, educational resources. Lightyear offers tutorials and guides to help users make informed investment choices. Now, the cons. One limitation is potential herd mentality. Following other users blindly can lead to poor investment decisions. Another drawback is limited advanced analytics. Serious investors may find the platform lacks in-depth tools needed for complex strategies. The surprising truth? Most people underestimate the impact of social learning. Lightyear shows that observing and interacting with other investors can improve your strategy, but only when combined with personal research. In conclusion, the pros: portfolio tracking, social insights, and education make Lightyear ideal for beginners and casual investors. The cons: risk of herd mentality and limited analytics mean advanced investors might need additional platforms.